Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well. This was the final on the Halloween group build. I hope you guys that are participating enjoyed doing your build, and the ones that are still working, hopefully you enjoy it. It was a lot of fun hosting this build. I'm going to do another video at the end, but I have been taking everybody's video that I've been coming across and putting them in a playlist that's on my channel. So if you guys want to make sure you caught everybody, you can check that and actually see everybody's video. And if I don't have your video on it, please let me know. I'll be able to put it in on the playlist. I don't want to miss anybody. So if I haven't commented on one of your Halloween group build videos or anything like that, just put in the comments below that you're in there. Try to catch up on comments, and that didn't really happen at all. Unfortunately, I just didn't have enough time to catch up on all that. I've been actually doing some business travel, so been kind of out and about, been a little busy, and didn't have time. But I do read everybody's comments. I try to comment back on them, and I always feel bad that I don't keep up with it. It's a little hard, but I really enjoy hearing what you guys have to say and all that. So be patient. I'll try to catch up on all of them. So on to the final of the Halloween build. I did the Phantom of the Opera. It was a pretty fun kit. It was one of them classic horror movie kits from the back in the day. This one is an Atlantis kit, and when they bought all the molds, they saved it. And but everything, I primed everything and got rid of the seams. I did end up finding seams later, and so everything is an acrylic paint except for the black. The black I used black paint for. So for his shoes, his pants, and his torso, I did all that in black. And then I just did acrylic white and everything on everything else. So in the red, I tried to do multiple colors. Tried to do a lot of fading in there. Tried to do his skin like a grayish, sickly looking skin tone. I think I did alright on that. Hopefully the light ain't washing it out too much where you actually can see it. And then I painted that like a leather color. There were so many different ways to doing him that I saw online. And this was the color pattern I actually liked the most. And so I gave him some gray highlights, dry brushing. I intentionally didn't paint the back of the mask because it is like a mask. Figured it only had the details in the front. I gave it a matte clear coat over top of it to protect all the acrylic. I did a lot of different painting techniques. On the red on the inside to give it some fabric look. And then the lizard I don't think I'm going to keep on there, so I really just gave it a kind of a shiny green paint, and that was it. I put some tufts of grass in here. These are ones I had that were pre-made. And the mouse, I actually did pretty good on that, I thought. And then the poor guy in the dungeon or in the catacombs looking out. A lot of his skin ate up and stuff. Good thing he's just a plastic figure, because I think if he was beat up that bad, he wouldn't be holding on to anything with that big old gouges in his arms and bones showing. So, but that is my final on it. A fun kit. It'll end up going into the display case. One cool thing is they made it so his mask actually fits on him. So you can do them in two different ways. You can have him holding it, or you can do it like that. I think I'm going to display it so he's holding it. He looks a little creepy with the mask on. He looks not so creepy with it off. So, but that's that. Trying to think of what to build next. I was going to build 2 kits, but I think I only got 11 days. I don't think I want to rush it, so I'll save that one for next year. And I do plan on doing a Halloween group build again next year. I'll probably give a little bit more of a notice on the time frame, but I think I would probably do it about the same amount of time, days, maybe about 45 days. Like I tried to do this year. It's enough to give you enough time to get it done, and then if you do something like this, you're not done before even October 1st. So that is the plan, to do it again next year. So if you have a kit, or if not, you have time to get a kit. But if you want to participate, you have plenty of time, plenty of notice to get ready for that. So I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Thanks to all of my subscribers. I'm actually up to like 811 now, which is quite amazing. I am so surprised that I'm up that high. Very appreciative. Also on a side note, I do plan on having a lot of videos come out of the days I was on doing some traveling. Probably do like a day in a week. Maybe Friday will be travel Friday or something like that. Have them videos come out on a Friday. And hopefully for the models, I get back into the schedule I had before. But it is getting kind of nastier outside, so there'll be more time spent doing models instead of doing stuff outside. So until the next video, I hope you're all doing well, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.